Hey guys, welcome to another episode of 0 to 60. This one's going to be something a little bit different. Long-term viewers of the channel might already know that our main business roles revolve around motorbikes, but every now and again they sort of cross into the car world. And today we have a customer that's brought in this rocker cover from I guess it's a hybrid restoration tribute guy, I seem to call them lately, a build on a 240k, which is going to be done up to look like the old Nissan GTRs. Now this is the rocker cover, and obviously being the best part of 30 years old, the aluminium is nice and pitted and corroded. You can see where it's had a bit of a clean up, these shiny sections where someone's hit it with something and smoothed off the aluminium, and it just doesn't look very natural. And what we're going to do is vapor blast it for the customer. Now we actually use this machine in a lot of our suspension rebuilds that we do, but it works insanely good on all sorts of aluminium. Unfortunately this has got some sort of resin on it, which you can just see here. Now the vapor blast is actually such a gentle process, it won't remove that resin. We will have to give it a quick bead blast so that we can get the vapor blast down to the raw aluminium. But I thought I'd film the process and show you 0 to 60 guys what you can do when you're trying to restore some of your car parts. Okay, so that's the first step done. Now that was a very, very gentle garnet bead blast, and you can see it's removed all of the resin, and it's also helped smooth off the corrosion that was quite prevalent up on the Nissan logo. The problem with the garnet blasting is it leaves a particularly rough, plain, dark, quite a horrible finish really. You'd never want to leave this as its main finish, because all the pores of the metal are open and they just never last when they've been blasted like this. So from this point it's time to go into the vapor blaster. And the vapor blaster is a little bit more in depth than your average sandblaster. It runs a slurry down in the base, and it's a mixture of perfectly round, super fine glass beads and water, which comes out at an astonishing rate. So luckily, now that we've already done the bead blasting, that'll actually speed up the vapor blasting process, and you'll see how awesome the metal comes up in probably 5 minutes. So that's what it looks like straight after the blasting process. It's had a heavy rinse, and it's very important to remove all the abrasive, especially from the PCV system or whatever they used in these engines. Yeah, so it'll go from here, and I'm just gonna air dry the part, mainly just to make sure that nothing is going to sit on the surface of the metal, and also to make sure that we've definitely removed all of the abrasive. I'm not going to film that because it's just an air blower, but I'll see you in a second to see the finished product. It still amazes me how it manages to bring the metal up and get it reflecting the light there. And obviously once it's back and in the engine bay, it's going to look awesome. One thing I really do like about the vapor blasting, it doesn't completely destroy the original pores in the casting, so you can still see that it looks original. It doesn't look like it's been repainted or resurfaced. Yeah. So, I know it's a bit different for this channel. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. If you sort of enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Or if you want to see more sort of technical videos from what we do when we're at work and not messing around trying to see how fast cars are, let us know. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, just gotta do this lot next. Shouldn't take too long. Ugh.